Hi there, my name's Jason Perkins. I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. I created this series of videos about Georgia workers' compensation law to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about the benefits available to them under that law. Today I want to focus on one of the primary benefits, which is medical benefits. And I specifically want to talk about what an authorized treating physician is in your workers' compensation case. Now, medical treatment is extremely important. If you want to recover from an injury at work, you're going to need to treat with a good doctor. And the authorized treating physician is one of the terms that's used in a workers' compensation case to refer to your doctor. Unfortunately, in Georgia workers' compensation case, you can't just pick any doctor you want in most situations. There's limits on what doctor you can select. Often your choice is limited by your employer's panel of physicians. If your employer doesn't have a valid panel of physicians, you may be able to pick any doctor you want. But assuming they do have a valid panel of physicians, at least your initial choice of doctors may have to be off that panel of physicians. So let's talk specifically about what an authorized treating physician is. The authorized treating physician is the main doctor in your workers' compensation case. That doctor has several powers in your workers' compensation case that other doctors don't. The first thing that doctor can do is treat you for your injury. So the doctor can evaluate you, give you injections, prescribe medications, order testing, all those sorts of things that your doctor would typically do. So they can provide treatment or testing. Second thing that doctor can do is the doctor directs your care. So what do I mean by that? Well, that doctor has the power to refer you out to other specialists. So if the doctor was treating you and thought, hey, you need to see an orthopedic specialist or a neurologist or a surgeon of some kind, the doctor can write a referral and can specify which doctor they're referring you to or which type of doctor you're referring you to. And that referral can be enforced in front of a workers' compensation judge or just with the insurance company generally. So if the doctor orders treatment with another specialist, you should be able to get that treatment done. Third thing that the doctor does that's important is the doctor makes decisions about return to work issues. What I mean by that is the doctor is going to give opinions about whether you can go back to light duty work or not, or whether you're out of work completely, or whether you can return to full duty work. Now, all doctors in workers' compensation cases can make these decisions, but the authorized treating physician has some special powers, and that is that the authorized treating physician can actually approve things like what are called WC-240s, which is a specific type of form that the insurance company can file offering you a light duty job. And if the authorized treating physicians approve that job, there's going to be some consequences if you don't show up and try that job. Whereas if it's not the authorized treating physician, they don't have those same powers on approving a light duty job necessarily. I hope you found this information about what an authorized treating physician is helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is either by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. You may have other questions about your workers' compensation case. If you do, I'd encourage you to reach out and get answers to those questions. There's a few good ways that you can do that. One is by visiting our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. You can view all the rest of the videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series there. The other good way is by visiting our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. You can read all the articles from our workers' compensation blog there, and you can also submit a request for a free consultation with me or one of the other workers' compensation attorneys at our firm. We'd be happy to talk to you about the specifics of your case and answer any questions that you may have. Just complete the free consultation request form that's available there, or call us directly at the phone number on the bottom of the screen, and we'll be happy to set up a consultation for you. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today, and I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.